Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we will see how to send email to anyone by using Python code. It can be automated, I can say. So we can automate as well in your code. Whatever project you are developing, you can use this code and you can send automatically to anyone. Okay. So to do that, we should have the SMTP library in your machine, and second one, you should have the email library. Okay, you should have the mim text library in your, and third is mim multi part. So this thing three thing you should have. And next thing, you need to prepare your email configuration, like your sender email, sender password, and recipient email. Suppose if you want to send your girlfriend this way, then you can put your girlfriend email id, and you can pass your sender and password, whatever thing. You can change your subject as per you want, and message also you can change. And next thing, what we are doing, we are preparing the mim text, like okay. And after that, what we are doing, we are connecting to smtp server. So server, this is the smtp server, okay. And we are passing the port. So this is for gmail one, okay. And if you are using the hotmail or something outlook, for that, the smtp server detail is different, so you can configure as per whatever things you are using, okay. And after that, we are making as a text to string, and then we are sending there, okay. And then we are quieting, and we are printing this message in the console, like it gets sent successfully or not. Okay, so now I'm going to run this. Yeah, it will give the error because we are not passing the email address password, because it's a security region. Okay, so you will get the username and password not acceptable. If you change it, and then it will definitely work. I have tested it. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.